Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax returns for businessmen. First, determine your business structure, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation, as this impacts your filing requirements. Next, meticulously collect all financial records, including bank statements, receipts, and invoices. This preparation ensures you have all the data needed for accurate reporting. Finally, identify the specific IRS forms relevant to your business. For sole proprietors, Schedule C is crucial for reporting your business income and expenses. If you received payments for services as an independent contractor, you'll likely use information from Form 1099 NEC. Remember to maximize your deductions. Common ones include home office expenses, vehicle mileage, and business insurance premiums. Keeping detailed records of these can significantly lower your tax liability. To avoid common pitfalls, always maintain meticulous records of all income and expenses. This prevents last-minute scrambling and ensures accuracy. Many self-employed individuals must pay estimated taxes quarterly. Failing to do so can result in penalties. If your business finances are complex, consider consulting a tax professional. Their expertise can save you time and money, ensuring compliance with all regulations. Most individual and business tax returns are due by April 15th, so mark your calendar. If you need additional time, you can file Form 4868 for an extension, typically granting an extra 6 months. Remember, an extension to file is not an extension to pay. Also, for a fantastic reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.